Jumping straight into the video, I am molding my hair with some hair protectant. I am basically putting it in 2 pigtails in the back. This will allow for a flat foundation for my quick weave. Once I'm finished doing that, I'm going to put a cap on my head and then sit up under the dryer and allow it to dry. I hate the dryer. Anywho, I'm just showing you right here what it looks like when everything comes together and dries. Now I'm just going in with the second cap and I'm just going to place it on top of the first cap and then outline my perimeter with some hair glue. This will allow the second cap to stick to the first cap, if that makes sense. Just keep watching, you guys will see. Okay, so now of course you're gonna let that dry and cut off the excess cap. We will not be using that at all, so we do not need it. All right, so now that we have cut off all this excess cap, we're going to now commence to laying these tracks down until we get to the top. All right, so right here, I'm bringing my tracks up a little closer to the front, I guess. I'm kind of like angling my tracks in the front because I want my front to be full. I don't want my front to be skimpy. So right here, you'll see me placing the tracks a little bit in the front, leaving room for the next track. I know it's confusing, guys. Just lay your tracks as close to the front as possible without interfering with your baby hairs. And then here, I'm just measuring out where I want my last track to go. Never place your track on your hair when gluing it. You want to always place your tracks on the parting. It's very important. So never place the track on your hair, place it on the part. All right, on to the fun part. I'm going to grab my heat protectant. I love this stuff. And spray my leave out. But before I get to my leave out, I'm going to go ahead and point cut my bob, just to give my bob a little bit more of a texture look. I don't really want a blunt cut, so I'm just going to do some point cutting and add some texture to my bob. Alright, so now that I'm satisfied with the cut, I'm going to go in with a hot comb and I'm going to press out my hair as straight as possible. Oh, you guys, look at my little studio back there. I so miss it. Oh, anywho, I'm going to continue to press out my roots in my hair, and then I'm going to go behind with my Fabulous flat iron and continue to flat iron the hair. Alright, so here I'm just going in and making sure my hair is laid. I'm going in with this black hairspray. You can get it from like your local beauty supply store, Sally's, Amazon, wherever you shop. I use this spray because the weave is a 1 and my hair is like a 1B. So I don't want you to, or can be able to tell where my hair stops and starts. So I use that black spray kind of like a incognito Then I'm going to use that spritz, and I'm just going over with the heat just to kind of lay my flyaways down. You can see that one right there in the front. Yes, sis, get that. That is not, All right. Okay. Yes. Going in with some oil sheen. I'm just going to spray my whole head. Right behind that, I'm using my wax stick. And I love, love, love this stuff, you guys. Look how, yes. Yes. I'm God. I love it. It's like a nice shine without weight, to it. So my hair won't be like slick to my face or anything. But this is pretty much a finished look, you guys. I hope you like it. I hope you gather some tips from this video. I'm going to turn around so you can see the back. Yes, sis. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification button down there for weekly videos. Until then, you guys, peace and blessings. And I'll see you guys next video. Okay, so on to my leave out. I'm going to use my hot comb for my roots and then continue to flat iron my hair with my Babyliss flat iron. Just a little disclaimer, I'm going to buy me another hot comb just because, this one's okay, but it really didn't get the job done. There's a hot comb by Kenra. I really like it. It's like got rhinestones and stuff out of it. I think the heat temperature goes up to 500. Oh my God, I'm going to invest in that. And then when I get it, I'm going to do like a little review on it, just in case you guys are interested in purchasing one. But yeah. All right, so I'm moving right along. Here, I'm just flat ironing the rest of my hair into the weave. And then I'm going to go in and spray my hair with some black hairspray. Excuse me. I'm using this because the weave that I have is a 1. My hair is like a 1B. So I'm just spraying that stuff on there. I'm just going to kind of like blend it into the weave a little better. Don't spray too much because then it'll look fake. Like, you know how guys get like their beards sprayed on and stuff like that. If you spray too much of this stuff, you'll look like them guys with no fake beards. And then I just used some spritz and sprayed it for my flyaways, making sure everything lays down and everything's nice and flat. See that flyaway right there? Yes, get it together, sis. Unacceptable. There we go. This is just some regular oil sheen followed by some wax stick that I got from my beauty supply store. And I'm just applying this on my natural hair at the top mainly. I love this stuff because it gives my hair a natural shine without wearing my hair down. I love that stuff, man. And this is pretty much the finished look, guys. I hope you really liked it. I hope it was helpful for you. I hope you learned some new tips and tricks. I'm going to turn around so you can see the back. Yes, honey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification button for weekly videos. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Peace and blessings. All right, so once I've cut and got satisfied with the length, I'm going to go in and tend to this leave out, honey. Yes. I'm using my hot comb for my roots, and then I'm gonna finish out the job with a regular babless flat iron. Just a little disclaimer, I am going to invest in a new hot comb because this one, it's okay, but it didn't get the job done. So it's this new one that I've recently came across named Kenra. It got like rhinestones and stuff on it. It is dope. I'm going to order that real soon. So next video, hopefully it'll be here in time. You guys will see it and I'll do like a little review on it. So yeah. All right, so this is the fun part for me. This is actually the styling and put my last finishing touches on it. Yes. Y'all see my old little studio back there? Anywho, I'm going in and I'm going to spray this black hairspray on my hair just so my hair can blend in better with this weave. This weave is like a 1. My hair is like a 1B. So I just wanted to kind of like blend in more. So I sprayed that and then hit it with the heat so it could blend. Also, I'm using my spritz just so my little flyaways can lay down. And it could be nice and smooth. I ain't got to worry about it later. See that flyaway right there? Yeah, we need to get that together. Uh-huh. There we go, sis. Voila. So once I did that, I'm going to go in with some all Sheen and spray everywhere, followed by my little wax stick I got from the beauty supply store. And I'm just going to apply it everywhere I see my leave out at. I love this stuff because, I don't know, it just gives my hair a nice shine without weighing it down. And it just makes, just look at that. Yes, sis, yes, come together. All right, y'all, this is pretty much the finished and final product. I'm going to turn around so you guys can see the back. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Also, hit that notification button for new weekly videos. Until then, I'll see y'all next time. Peace and blessings.